Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find web design and development tutorial section. In web design and development tutorial section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Bootstrap 5 tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my Bootstrap tutorials where I am explaining Bootstrap in depth and step by step. In this video, I would like to discuss Bootstrap Breadcrumb. What is the use of breadcrumb in Bootstrap? Breadcrumb is used to display hierarchical path of the current page. Breadcrumb is used to display path of the current page for easy navigation, guys. We have two classes, breadcrumb and breadcrumb-item. Breadcrumb class indicates wrapper for breadcrumb items, and breadcrumb-item class is used to style the breadcrumb items. You can see we have a OL, ordered list, with a class of breadcrumb. So it is a wrapper for breadcrumb items. Here each li has a class breadcrumb item, which is used to style the list item, right? Or a breadcrumb item, you can say breadcrumb item, breadcrumb item, breadcrumb item. And the last li here has the class active, which indicates the current page, and user can navigate to these pages just by clicking on the hyperlink. You can go to web design and development directly, or tutorials, or directly the home page of Chidre's Tech Tutorials. Let's have a demo and understand everything clearly. Okay, I minimize everything. Here I have my dash website folder. I open it. I right click on default.html page, say open with the notepad. You can see default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to Bootstrap demo. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with Google Chrome. You can see default.html page is open in the Chrome and title is set to Bootstrap demo. To display the breadcrumb, we take help of the nav tag. Okay, I am going to copy this and paste in my page, and I delete this OL, Control X. Just to explain, we have a opening nav tag and closing nav tag, that is navigation, right? Area label breadcrumb, and inside that we have OL, ordered list, with a class of breadcrumb item. It is a wrapper for all the breadcrumb items. And you see we have list item with a class of breadcrumb item, and here all these list items have the anchor tag, opening A, closing A. You can see that navigation to a specific page. And we have last li, which has no anchor. You can see there is no use of anchor here, A tag, but it has a class active, which indicates it is the active page. Understanding? So we have a Chidre's Tech Tutorials website. In that we are offering so many tutorials, right? Like we have web design and development tutorials, gaming tutorials, animation tutorials, programming tutorials, UI UX tutorials, etc. In web design and development and UI UX, we have Bootstrap tutorials. So in this page we display the information related to Bootstrap tutorials. So that is the current active page. This is the hierarchy actually. Chidre's Tech Tutorials. Inside that tutorials, in the tutorials, web design and development tutorials. In web design and development tutorials, we have Bootstrap tutorials. So we can display a breadcrumb. If I save this now, go to browser and reload, you can see that it is displaying the hierarchy, the path of Bootstrap tutorials page. Chidre's Tech Tutorials, inside the tutorials, in the tutorials, web design and development. In the web design and development, we have Bootstrap tutorials. This is active page. Understanding? User can go to any of these pages directly by clicking on these hyperlinks. He can directly go to tutorials and see what are the different types of tutorials we are offering, like web design and development, game design and development, animation, UI UX, etc. Or he can directly go to the home page like that, right? So this is the breadcrumb. It is used to display the path of the current page, active current page, for easy navigation. Understanding? Here it is using the forward slash as a divider or the separator. Instead of using forward slash, you can display any other symbol. For that we take help of the style attribute. Okay, and BS breadcrumb divider. You can use any symbol to display. I copy this and paste it here. I am telling, instead of using the forward slash, use greater than symbol as the divider. If I save, go to browser and reload, you can see it is now displaying greater than symbol instead of the forward slash, guys. So that is the use of breadcrumb. If you want to know more about breadcrumb, simply go to Google and search for Bootstrap 5 breadcrumb. Hit enter, click on the link, it takes you to breadcrumb page, and you can see it is telling breadcrumb indicate the current page's location within the navigational hierarchy. That automatically adds separators, right, via CSS. So here you can see / symbol is being used. You can read the documentation for more information, and you can see here they are using the style BS breadcrumb divider as greater than symbol. You can use any other symbol, guys. I think for this video tutorial this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials we discuss more about Bootstrap in depth and step by step. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section. For more benefits, don't forget to subscribe. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.